Welcome. In this quick and easy guide, I'll show you step by step how to change your file view to list view on Dropbox. Whether you're organizing your files or just want a cleaner layout, switching to list view takes just a few seconds. Let's get started. First, open the Dropbox app on your phone or tablet. Once it loads, take a quick look at the bottom of your screen. You'll see a few options there. Tap on the one that says Files. This is where all your documents, photos, and folders are stored and ready to access. Next, focus on the top right corner of the screen. You'll notice a small icon that looks like either a grid of squares or a few lines stacked on top of each other. That's the View toggle button. If you currently see your files as thumbnails or a gallery style grid, that means you're in Grid View. Go ahead and tap that icon once. A small menu will appear, giving you two options, Grid View and List View. To switch your layout, simply select List View. Instantly, your Dropbox files will reorganize into a tidy list format. Each file and folder will now appear in rows, showing names, details, and dates in a clear, simple way. The List View is perfect if you prefer a more streamlined look. It helps you spot file names faster, check modified dates, and scroll through your content more efficiently, especially if you're working with lots of folders or documents. And that's it. You've just changed your file view to list view in Dropbox. It's a small change that can make a big difference in how you manage and navigate your files. If this quick tutorial helped you out, take a moment to explore a few other Dropbox features. There's a lot you can do to make your workspace more organized and productive. Thanks for watching.